So here we got a situation where the homeowner didn't realize that the line of trees that used to be here and had a I don't know, foot or so of chopped up trees had to be dug out, because if all of that kind of organic material is left in there, and you can see it's a good 10-12 inches thick. There's the wall there. If that's left in there, it's going to rot over 7 to 10 years, and it's literally half of the patio. The patio is 12 feet wide there, and then there's going to be a 15-foot circle. But the whole half of the patio, if that's not removed, will sink, and you'll end up with just a really bad situation. And so anytime there's any kind of information that you can share with the contractor, it just helps for the planning. Because I had thought I was going to skim off 1.5 inches of sod, and that was it. And it turned out to be dynamically different.